What should I do if my AirPods still aren't working after resetting them?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your AirPods just won't work even after resetting them? It can be really frustrating, right? But don't worry. Today, we'll dive into the world of AirPods troubleshooting, showing you how to handle such issues when resetting alone doesn't cut it. Remember, your AirPods are clever pieces of technology, and often, the solution is simpler than you think.
Are your AirPods charged?
One of the first things to check when your AirPods aren't working is their battery level. Even though this might sound obvious, it's easy to overlook. Ensure your AirPods are sufficiently charged. Plug them into their charging case and make sure the case itself has enough power.
Is your Bluetooth working properly?
Next, we need to ensure your device's Bluetooth is functioning correctly. Turn off the Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. Also, try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices that might interfere with the connection between your AirPods and your device.
Is the issue with one or both AirPods?
Identifying whether the problem is with one or both AirPods can help troubleshoot the issue more efficiently. If the issue is with one AirPod, try cleaning it carefully. Sometimes, wax or debris can block the sound.
Have you updated your device?
Outdated software can sometimes be the culprit behind malfunctioning AirPods. So, check whether your device needs a software update. This applies to all devices your AirPods are meant to be paired with.
Contacting Apple support.
If all the previous steps fail to resolve the problem, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting steps or arrange a repair if necessary. We hope this guide helps you get back to enjoying your favorite tunes without interruption. Remember, when it comes to tech, a little bit of troubleshooting goes a long way. Stay tuned for more tech solutions, and as always, keep exploring and learning.